A viral video that surfaced on the internet showcased the deepening food crisis in Pakistan. In the video, a group of people on two-wheelers were seen recklessly chasing a vehicle. The accompanying tweet from former Professor Sajad Raja, chairman of National Equality Party (JKGBL), said the people were chasing a truck carrying wheat. This isn't a motorcycle rally. People in Pakistan are desperately chasing a truck carrying wheat flour, hoping to buy just one bag. People of Jammu and Kashmir should open their eyes, lucky not to be Pakistani, and still free to take decisions about our future, the Twitter read. The video shows the bikers rushing to the truck as it stopped. The people are also seen waving a bunch of currency notes at the person inside the truck so as to garner a bag of wheat flour. Pakistan is reportedly facing its worst ever food crisis in years. Since last week, flour prices have been skyrocketed in Khyber, Pakhtunkhwa, Sindh and Balochistan provinces, with a packet of flour being sold at only for rupees 3,000 Pakistani rupees. Nawaz Sharif's Pakistan League and Bilawal Bhutto Zardari's Pakistan People's Party are blaming former PM Imran Khan for this crisis. In Banu town of KP province, a doctor put himself inside a cage at the town square as a mark of protest. The doctor said that the common man is being exploited whatever party is in power. Bureau Report, Argus News.